Hello everybody and welcome to week 10. Week 9 has sure proven to be kind of a crazy one. Changed a couple of deadlines on things because we had some weather related things going on and not school in different places, possibly school in other places, so kind of made for a crazy week. As I'm doing this right now, you should still be wrapping up week 9. I have moved the quiz back to Thursday, so you should be taking that quiz. I am posting this early because I know some people don't have school Friday. So I'm just putting that up now so everybody can kind of get an update on what's going on before they might be off for a long weekend. So officially, I'm just expecting this next coming week to just start on a Monday, but some of you that have school Friday can get a jump start on some things as well. So last week we did a card game and the quiz there. One of the things, of course, that you'll have to do then in week 10 is go back and take a look at the feedback on your quiz, because the feedback is not available when you first take the quiz. So make sure you go back and take a look at the ones you got wrong, read the feedback, and if you still have questions, let me know so we can get you all squared away on that information on sub-procedures and functions. You built your card game. I haven't seen those yet, so I look forward to looking at those. One thing that you might note about the card game is it's just like the dice game we made. It's completely random. In other words, you set a random number, so 10 could keep showing up over and over again. There's no limit to the number of 10s. Now, for dice, that's not a problem. But for cards, it is, because in a real card game, there's only so many 10s in the deck, and so once those get dealt, it's not completely random as far as what can come up after that. Now, we haven't learned how to deal with that yet. One way you could deal with it is with an array. Okay, and so that's going to be our topic here in week 10, is looking at arrays. Okay, so you're going to be learning how to create an array and use them. There's explanations in here on what that is. An array is basically just like a variable that has kind of different compartments to it. But like I said, there's an explanation in the information here. You're going to learn how to use some methods with those array. And we're going to build a simple program here called My Friends, where you're going to store some information in an array and then do some sorting and searching inside of that kind of thing. Now, this assignment is going to be worth 10 points, so it's not something that you have to add anything creative to it yet at this point in time. Just build it so that it works like the one you see in the video here, more or less. Okay, so because our dates got moved a little bit, this week is officially, week 10 is going to officially start on Monday, April 7th. Like I said, some of you might want to get a jump start on it, and it will end on April 15th is the plan for that. So kind of taking a different approach there on the days we're going to start and end on that, because we do have Easter coming up as well and some things, so that's going to kind of mix around our days a little bit. If you have problems or questions with the deadline, especially for week 9 stuff, if weather impacted you and you need more time on something, let me know. I do want to plant a bug in your ear for a couple weeks down the road here yet. We are going to have kind of like a final project for this class. And so the final project is I'll give you more details later, so you'll have some ideas, but I just want you to maybe start thinking about what you might do. And the final project is going to be a program that it's totally your idea what you're going to make. There'll be requirements as far as how many different concepts you'll have to deal with that we've had over the course of the year. So like I said, I'll get some of those details out to you. But I'm just kind of, like I said, I'm just kind of mentioning it now that there is going to be a final project where you're going to be given the last few weeks to be working on that and submit that type of thing. So just kind of mentioning it now so you're kind of thinking in advance ideas of what you might like to do. We are going to have a couple more topics that you're going to learn about before we get to that. So we're not all the way there yet, but like I said, I just wanted to mention that. So hope you have a good week 10. Like I said, if you're struggling with anything from week 9 or having problems with the deadlines, let me know, and I'll talk to you later.